Today we'll break down Nery Garcia and Serena Cuevas, Salsa dancing, Salsa. We'll break down the steps so you can practice at home alone, no partner needed. Nery starts with a step to the back and then the swap 360, ending off the line, preparing himself for the offline crossbody lead, holding 6-7 and opening on 1, changing places and another crossbody lead, front, side, open to the side, clearing the line, and switching places, focusing on the lead and adjusting his position forwards towards Serena. Then he continues to crossbody lead, opening on 1 and doing a tap on 2. This is part of his styling. Watch it again. Afterwards, he continues to a reverse crossbody lead offline, holding 6-7, clearing the line, and transferring his weight to his right. This is also part of his styling. And he ends with the offline crossbody lead. Watch it again and notice how he emphasized the 6 with his hands. 6. This is the beginning of the offline crossbody lead. It starts on 6 because they are dancing on 2. And now with the music. And you can practice all these steps on 1 or on 2 in the free 30-day course. Still here? Scroll down to day 31 for the ultimate practice. See you there.